Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the experiment number 2. The aim of the experiment is to determine the hardness of the water using the EDTA method. It is also known as complexometric titration. Now let's begin with the experiment.
The apparatus for the experiment is Eriochrome black tea, EBT, which is used as indicator. Then we are using 0.01 molars of EDTA solution. It is a hexadentate ligand, that is the reason it is called as the complexometric titration. The next thing we are using is the hard water sample and a buffer solution of the pH 10 and a ZnSO4 solution. Now let's begin with the experiment. Here I have taken a conical flask. We will be adding 10 ml of ZnSO4 solution into it. This is the part A of the experiment, that is the standardization of EDTA solution. The next thing we are adding is 5 ml of the buffer solution into it and 2 to 3 drops of EBT, which is the indicator. Here we are adding 2 to 3 drops of EBT into it. We will mix the solution well. Here you can see the red wine color of the solution. Now we will be filling the burette with the EDTA solution using the conical flask. Using the conical funnel. Adjust the lower meniscus to the 0 mark. Now let's begin with the titration. We will slowly start the cork of the burette and let the EDTA add into the solution. We will stir the mixture constantly until the color changes from wine red color to the blue. Here we can see the change in color. It has converted to the blue color. Now we will stop the cork. You can see that this is the sky blue color. We will mark the reading. It is about 2.11.8. Which is the final burette reading. The initial burette reading will be 0. Repeat the experiment thrice for the accurate measurements. I have performed this experiment for thrice and I have got 11.8, 11.8 and 11.9 readings. So here I have getting 11.8 reading for twice. Therefore, my constant burette reading is 11.8. But in case if you get all the final burette readings different, then in this case you have to take the difference of that and you have to take the mean of it and you have to fill the constant burette reading as per those readings. Start with the part B of the experiment, that is the estimation of total hardness of the water. For that I have taken 10 ml of the hard water solution, 5 ml of the buffer solution and EBT as the indicator. We will take the conical flask and add 10 ml of hard water solution into it. Then we will mix the buffer solution into that and add the drops of EBT into it. We will be adding 3 to 4 drops of EBT and shake the chemicals. Here you can see the wine red color again. Now we will fill the burette with the EDTA solution again up to the 0 mark. Adjust the EDTA solution up to the 0 mark correctly. And after that, let's begin with the titration. We have to add the EDTA into the solution until it changes to sky blue. Mix the solution constantly. Add the EDTA solution into the mixture until it changes to blue color. Here we can see the change into the color. We will stop the cork. And there we have the sky blue color of the solution. Now we will mark the reading, which is about 10.8. Now let's write the readings. The initial buvette reading will be again 000 and the final buvette reading is 10.8. Now perform this experiment thrice for the accuracy. I have performed this experiment for thrice and I have got the readings 10.8, 10.9 and 10.8. The constant buvette reading which I will be getting is 10.8 as it is the repeated. If you get all these readings different, then you have to take the mean of this and then you have to write it into the constant buvette reading.